When you're planting up a succulent arrangement, there are a ton of ways to go about it, but also a lot of mistakes to avoid. We're looking for plants that are going to look great together, that are really greater than the sum of their parts, but they also have to have compatible care needs in order to really flourish together in a single pot that's going to have, the same light and water conditions. And when there's hundreds of succulent varieties out there, understandably, it can be a little overwhelming to know what pairs well with what. So we came up with an easy way to get a perfect 3-plant arrangement, the Succulent Trifecta Kits. We collaborated with McCarthy of the Succulent Eclectic to design a wide range of DIY planting kits so that you can create beautiful and fully compatible succulent arrangements. Now you can think of these sort of as blueprints or like plant by numbers. And each kit is going to include 3 2-inch succulents, a core plant that centers your design, a complement that builds on that theme, and then a character plant that adds just another dimension to it all. And together they complete a succulent trifecta. Succulent trifectas come in 2 flavors. There's the standard, where we pick the plants, or the build your own, where you get to select the varieties from a curated carousel of compatible cultivars. There are also a number of different themes so that you can select the perfect kit for you. So some of these are based on planting location, say full sun or frost hardy, or ones that can tolerate low indoor light, and then others based on appearance, so things like color and leaf shape. Ordering a standard succulent trifecta is simple. Just select your perfect theme, add on any additional accessories you like, and add to cart. We'll select the best available plants that match your theme and add on some extra soil to help you plant up into a larger container. And that, my friends, is succulent design made simple. To order the Build Your Own Succulent Trifecta, use the carousels to select your favorite plant from the 3 ingredients, the core, complement, and character. And you're going to add each of those plants to cart separately. And all 3 of those plants are guaranteed to have similar care needs for long-term growing success. And then you have the option of adding on additional things like top dressing, a nice container, soil, and other accessories. When your order arrives, planting up your Succulent Trifecta kit is a quick, fun project. Gently remove the plastic grow pots and loosen the soil around the roots. Replant in your larger container using the included soil and compress it to get everybody snug. Then sprinkle on a top dressing and your Succulent Trifecta is good to grow. So there you have it, an easy way to create gorgeous succulent arrangements that will last for years to come. Thanks again to Kat from the Succulent Eclectic for sharing her knowledge and her eye for design. Now we have lots of different themes of succulent trifectas, so check the link in the description to find the perfect kit for you. And until next time, happy succulenting!